Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel and welcome to this video. So this is the last part of our Laravel for beginners tutorial, and in this video we're going to continue working on with our image feature. So in the previous video we have added the display image and actually added the feature of uploading an image by creating a post. So when adding a post, we now have the option to browse an image and then include that image and save that into our database. So now let's continue working on with this. So if we try to view the actual post, so we want to also add the image here in the individual post. So let's go back to our code editor and try to add that. So this is the index.blade.php, and then we're just going to open up the show that blade.php. So in here we have we're displaying the post title and the post body of our post. So again, we're just going to add the image on top of our post. So in order for us to do that, let's just add a div here. So this will be, I think, before the body tag. So div, and then this will be row and another column or div for our column. So call md12, and then we're just going to add the image here, where you can just copy the tag coming from here. So and then the width is 100%, and then we're getting the actual or the physical image coming from our cover_images directory. So let's try to preview this and refresh. So now we have the image, so the title and then the image of our post, and of course the body of our post, and then the meta information, which is the written on with the date. Okay, so another thing for this feature is that we need to add this in our create or edit, because for now we don't have the element to edit or update the image that has been uploaded. So let's go back to our code editor and add the file element in here. So the same with the create.blade.php, we're just going to copy this form group and then edit. Here edit.blade.php, and just before the submission of the page, we can paste the cover image file input element, and then of course we need to change the something here for our ink type. So it should be, of course, multi-part form data. So we're just going to copy this one and paste it here. So ink type equals this multi-part /form data. So we're just going to save this and refresh our page to show that we have already added the input file element. So refresh. So in here we have now the browse file input element. We need to add some logic into our edit function from our post controller. So let's go ahead and try to open up our post controller.php, and inside here in our edit function, so we're going to add the logic of our edit function. Or actually, we're not editing the function edit, we're actually going to modify the update function. So all we have to do here is, I think we just have to copy all the logic that we have in the store function. So validate and then update. Okay, so we're just going to paste here the validation and of course all the logic that will handle our file upload. So this is going to be a bit different from the store logic because we're not going to have this line here, which means that we don't want to update when the user has not uploaded the image. So remove that, and then we're just going to have another check here if the user has submitted the file or uploaded the file. So the request, if the request has file, so another cover image here, that's the name of our file input element, and then we're just going to get or set the cover image by using the file name to store. So okay, and save this. So refresh, view first the post. So we have here the post, and then we have the actual post, and then we can edit that one. And if you try to submit without selecting any image, then we can just update the post but not updating the image right here. But let's try to update the image. So let's browse another image and then open and then submit. Post has been updated, and as you can see, the image here has been updated also because we have updated or uploaded an image coming from our edit page. So the next thing is our delete. Okay, so if you try to go to our post and we have this delete, so whenever we have to delete this post, we want to actually delete also this file coming from our project. So if we try to open up our project in our browser, or I mean our file directory, we can see that we have here the public and then storage and then the cover images. So these are the uploaded files in our project, right? So whenever a user wants to delete the post, we would also want our project to actually delete these files right here. So in order for us to do that, let's go back to our post controller and edit the delete function or destroy function right here. So we're going to bring in first the storage library. So we're going to use illuminate slash support and then backslash passage backslash storage. Okay, and then in our destroy function below, so we're going to check if the user has uploaded the file for this particular post. So that will be if this post cover image is not equal to post and then user, I mean not equal to no image dot jpeg or jpg. So this will be our default image when the user has not uploaded a file for their particular post. So we don't want this to be deleted if the user hasn't uploaded a file. So this will be storage, and then delete. So we're going to public and then cover images, and of course the actual file name of our cover image. So save this and then try to delete this post. Post has been removed, and as you can see, the image from the cover images directory has been deleted. One last concern also is if we try to go to our blog and add post. So say for example, we're going to add first post here, first post, body of first post, and then we're going to browse an image. Okay, submit, and also another one. So second post, body of second post, and then we're not going to browse or upload an image here. So submit. So as you can see, we have here a broken image icon, which means that the user has not uploaded image for this particular post. So we don't want that, and we want to have a default image here. So, or default no image. So let's go and search for no image picture, so that we will be able to have a default no image here. So after finding a default no image, so make sure to copy and paste that in your cover underscore images directory. And this is what I have chosen from the new no image default, and the file name is .jpg. So we should be able to display this in our page. So make sure to change this also to the right file extension, and then save, and then refresh. So there you go, we have now the no available image as our default image of our post. So I think that's all there is to it for this tutorial, and this will end our tutorial for beginners tutorial. And I hope you have learned something from this series and in these videos. So thank you for watching our videos, and if you're new here in our YouTube channel and you want content about programming, programming knowledge, and more, so I am inviting you to subscribe and press the notification bell so you'll get updated whenever we have a new upload. Thanks.